Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuosa Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. Do you suffer from overwhelming decisions for your remodel? Cabinets, plumbing fixtures, paint colors, and you haven't made a decision yet? You're suffering from decision paralysis, and you're not alone. There are ways to get past this, and we can explain why you have this problem. There is no vaccine, there is no pill for this, but we can help you.
So what causes decision paralysis? Actually, there are a number of things. One of them is all of the stuff online. There are thousands and thousands of choices which tend to make people not make a decision because what about if I make a wrong decision, or there's another option out there, maybe just one more sample. The best thing to do on that is go with your gut. You make a decision, you pick out what it is that you want, you put your blinders on and you move on. And don't get worried about what ifs. So another thing about decision paralysis is feeling that it's not going to be perfect. And perfection is something that just does not happen anywhere, let alone construction. The main thing to do is to realize what the end goal is, and that when everything comes together, it's going to look great. So don't concentrate on everything being absolutely perfect, because it's really the entire process and the outcome that will be fantastic.
One way to get past this is to have your inspiration and your overall look in maybe one photo or two photos. That's it. And then every decision that you make, every material that you pick, should always go back and redirect back to that photo. So that way you're not veering off track, regretting a decision, or being stuck trying to make a decision. It's always going to go back to that first or second photo that you started with.
Another way to get past your decision paralysis is to trust your contractor. They are the experts. They have years of experience. They know the selections, they know the building process, but also trust the vendors that you go to, especially when you're talking about a countertop or an appliance or something very specific. They're the ones who have the experience in terms of what it is that's best for your particular project. So trust the contractor, trust the process, and decision paralysis will be subdued.
Another way you can get past potentially having decision paralysis is phasing out your selections. So you don't have to make all your decisions in one day or even 2 days. Phase them out. So maybe one day you're doing just flooring, and then another time you're doing just cabinets and countertops. So put them in different phases and it will all come together. I promise it will all come together. Trust the process. So don't let decision paralysis affect your life. If you're suffering, you are not alone. It's not about the perfect tile or the perfect paint color or the perfect countertop. It's a reflection of who you are. So stick to your guns, stay the course, trust your gut, and trust your team.
And this message has been approved by 9 out of 10 contractors. Side effects may include the following: